This is just to show a simple way of recovering wood from pallets, especially when they've been nailed like this. I've tried taking these things off many different ways and ended up cracking and losing lots of good wood. So today I thought about a different way of doing it, and this is one I'm going to show you. I did one already and didn't crack anything. You see here, good wood. These ones have been laying out in the rain for a while, but once you get the sand job on them, they're mostly straight. So what I found is the easiest way to do this is to, instead of trying to pry them off of these, the 2x4s here, is to just cut the 2x4s, the width of the planks, and then just hammer them off, and you'll see that when I do. Get rid of these ones first. Those are good for kindling. Better to go that way, actually. It won't jump at you. Once those are done, so on and so forth. Then when you got them apart, real easy just to hammer these off. In theory, oh, this one's doubled on here, that's why. Came off a little tougher. Way to do this, but this just works so far. These are a little thinner than these ones, but as long as you know that, I'm using these for sealing. Once I get them sanded down and stained, should be good to go. So that's the way you do it.